Forget ordinary camping gear. These inventions are on another level. From a rooftop cargo box that generates solar power to a lantern that becomes 7 different gadgets, these insane camping inventions could completely change how you camp. And number 1 is absolutely wild. 12. AeroPress Go. The AeroPress Go proves great coffee can travel. It's built for campers, hikers, and travelers who refuse to settle for bad coffee. The entire brewer packs into a container about the size of a mug. Brewing is simple. Add coffee, pour hot water, stir, and press. You can adjust grind, water, and brewing time to match your taste. Each brew makes up to 8 ounces, so it favors portability over volume. Lightweight and practical, it fits anywhere. Whether you're waking beside a lake or deep in the mountains, AeroPress Go keeps your morning ritual comfortably familiar. 11. BeaverCraft AX1 Hatchet. The BeaverCraft AX1 Hatchet is a compact powerhouse for camping and bushcraft. Its hand-forged carbon steel blade handles tough outdoor tasks, chopping firewood, cutting branches, shaping wood. The ashwood handle feels natural in hand. Protective linseed oil and wax add durability. Its balanced design helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. A genuine leather sheath adds carry on the trail. Despite its compact size, this hatchet handles serious work. It can help prepare firewood, build shelters, and shape wood. For campers who value durable tools without unnecessary bulk, the AX1 is a dependable wilderness companion. 10. Camprig Outdoor Guardian. The Camprig Outdoor Guardian adds extra security to your campsite. No Wi-Fi. Place the compact sensor near your tent, vehicle, or campsite perimeter. Its radar-based detection system watches for movement, helping alert you when wildlife or unexpected visitors approach. Spend less time watching the darkness, more time enjoying camp. 8 hours of battery life keep watch through the night. Its rugged and waterproof design can handle unpredictable weather. Perfect for remote campsites, van life, or cautious campers. Think of it as an extra set of electronic eyes. 9. Klymit Klymaloft Sleeping Pads. The Klymit Klymaloft series brings serious comfort to the outdoors. The base model can deliver 3.5 inches of cushioning, integrated baffles, quick inflation, and an R value of 1.6. The Summit goes further with air and foam construction, stretch polyester fabric, and supportive I-beam design. Its R value reaches 2.4, with multiple sizes available. For colder adventures, the Peak XL offers an impressive R value of 7.0. It also adds an ultra-plush topper for extra comfort. Weekend camping, 4-season adventures. There's a Klymaloft for both. Better insulation, deeper sleep, happier mornings outdoors. 8. nCamp Food Prep Knife. The nCamp Food Prep Knife brings kitchen-style performance to the campsite. It is designed for everyday outdoor cooking, handling vegetables, meat, and ingredients. The premium edition uses 9CR18 MOV steel, balancing toughness, corrosion resistance, and edge retention. Signature blade cutouts reduce weight while creating a convenient thumb opening point. The beechwood handle provides a secure, comfortable grip with multiple holding positions. Flush-mounted fasteners keep the surface smooth and easy to clean. A liner lock mechanism helps secure the blade open during use. Perfect for outdoor cooking. It makes meal prep smoother, faster, and easier at the campsite. 7. iKamper Disco. The iKamper Disco makes a campsite a serious outdoor kitchen. It is inspired by the traditional discada cooking method with a 16-inch pre-seasoned cast-iron cooking surface for steaks, tacos, chile, and so much more. Inside a trim-tab adjustable tripod is an 8,455 BTU burner for easy, standing height cooking. Its collapsible feet also let you place the burner on a camp table or tailgate. The system runs on standard isobutane canisters for convenient fueling. But here's the clever part. The cooking disc can also hang over a campfire for dual fuel versatility. For campers who love great meals, the iKamper Disco delivers serious cooking flexibility. It helps. 6. MSR WindBurner Stove System. The MSR WindBurner Stove System helps campers keep cooking when weather turns rough. Its radiant burner and enclosed, wind-resistant design help maintain performance when ordinary stoves struggle. An integrated heat exchanger transfers heat efficiently into the lock-on cooking pot, helping boil water quickly for drinks or meals. The system also packs neatly inside the pot, including the burner, lid, canister stand, and accessories. A 1.8-liter version adds a larger, more stable canister stand. Its efficiency, protection, and packability suit backpackers. When conditions turn rough, it keeps cooking. It also keeps the cooking setup compact outdoors when you need dependable heat. 5. Xeno Nest Air Tent. The Xeno Nest Air Tent rethinks traditional camping shelters. Instead of wrestling with complicated poles, the air tent inflates in around 4 minutes using an electric pump. Its two-story design creates an unusually spacious campsite with room for multiple living areas. The open ceiling adds height, while the upper section provides more space. Strong 180mm air beams form the main structure, creating a robust structure for outdoor conditions. A mesh option improves ventilation during warmer weather. If ordinary tents feel cramped, Xeno Nest feels closer to an outdoor luxury retreat. It delivers comfort without demanding a complicated setup, and enjoyable. 4. Auspit Spit Roast. The Auspit original rotisserie turns an ordinary campfire into a full outdoor kitchen. This battery-powered spit can roast up to 8 kilograms of meat, ideal for group camping. Its clever counter-lever design lets you adjust the skewer's height and distance from the fire for better heat control. The motor can operate up to 30 hours using 2 D-sized batteries. Durable 304 stainless steel is used for food contact parts. The system can be extended with optional accessories for steaks, burgers, vegetables, ribs, wings, and more. At the end of the feast, everything fits in its bag for traveling, built for campfire feasts. 3. YOOATOM Origin 800. The YOOATOM Origin 800 is a modular power station built around flexibility. Its swappable batteries can work independently as 86.4 Wh power banks, each featuring a two-way 60W USB-C port. The system can be expanded from 460 Wh to 720 Wh and provides up to 800 watts via 13 ports, supporting multiple devices simultaneously. Optional modules add even more utility, including a camping lamp and cup cooler. It also adds app monitoring, AI voice control, and 6-layer battery management. For off-grid adventures, Origin 800 makes portable power customizable and smart. It's ideal for remote campsites. You can scale capacity around each trip's needs. 2. LOVORK 7-in-1 Modular Camping Lantern. The LOVORK 7-in-1 Modular Camping Lantern is a worthwhile small space camping gadget. It starts with a rugged lantern, 5000 mAh battery, dimmable RGB lighting, and magnetic base. This process is then changed by the modules. Replace them in different combinations to make a 500 lumen flashlight, floodlight, air pump, cooling fan, Bluetooth speaker, or mosquito repeller. The 10-watt air pump will inflate it and the fan will blow fresh air through the tube on very warm nights. The mosquito module warms up 2 repellents at once. You can also use this same battery as a power bank for your phone. Just one system does multiple things for your camping, saving space and reducing building efforts. This results in a reduced number of loose pieces on your campground. 1. Yakima CBX Solar. The Yakima CBX Solar turns a rooftop cargo box into more than storage. The 36-watt included solar panel generates power but won't damage your car battery. Transfer power to your phone, tablet, lantern, camera, and more via 2 USB ports. A large 16 cubic foot interior offers space for inside storage. There is ample space for tents, sleeping bags, duffels, and all your adventure essentials. The locking handle makes loading and unloading easier, and the tie-down points keep equipment secure. A removable torque tool stores inside too. For road trips, CBX Solar combines cargo capacity with renewable energy. It also keeps essential charging close to gear. It's a smart upgrade for adventure travel and camping wherever your journey takes you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.